How to hide following list on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can hide following list on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to hide following list on Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all actually launch the Instagram app over here. And then let's say you basically want to hide the following list. In this case, what do you want to do is actually just come to the profile page over here, and there you have many of the people that you might have followed on Instagram itself. And then let's say that you want to hide all of those people. The only way you can hide it, and only to a limited number of people, which means you can hide it from the general public who don't follow you. But if you accept someone as your follower, they can see the following list, and you cannot completely hide it, but you can hide it to a certain degree. And to do this, just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, then just go to this option called settings. Once you go to this option called settings over here, you'll be able to find this option over here that is privacy. Just tap on privacy. Then once you tap on privacy, over here you'll be able to see the option called private account. You can just turn on private account right in this case, and once you turn on private account, you should be good to go. Only people you accept as your follower will be able to see your following list. You cannot hide it completely, entirely, but you can at least hide it from the general public, as I always repeat. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.